What if I told you nature already has a quiet way to keep your plants growing nonstop, while also protecting them from hidden pests? Just like the forest protects itself naturally, your garden can too, with two simple things we often overlook. Take 1 spoon of garlic powder and add it into 1 liter of water. As you stir it gently, remember why we use it. Garlic acts like a natural shield. It helps repel insects, keeps fungal problems away, and supports stronger, healthier plant growth without harsh chemicals. Now add unused tea to the same water. While mixing, this tea is not just tea anymore, it's plant food. It slowly releases nutrients, improves soil health, and encourages greener leaves and steady growth. Let this mixture rest for 6 to 8 hours so everything blends naturally. Strain it and either pour it gently into the soil or spray lightly on leaves. Use every 10 to 12 days. Avoid very young seedlings and always test on one plant first. With regular use, you'll see stronger stems, fresher leaves, and plants that feel alive with non-stop growth, while staying protected naturally. Try it once and let nature do the rest. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.